How to use offline application, step-by-step guide. Find login information. Select your name at the top of the screen. In basic information, you will find details for offline application login. Moza Web username. An anagram of your first and last names. Password, any password can be set. Recommended, Regal at 2025. Step 3, download Mozabook application, go to related store, Apple or Android, or type directly on Google search Mozabook. Click download. Step 4, install and open application. Once installation is complete, the application will appear on the desktop. Open the application and log in using Moza Web username in all capitals. Password. Tip: if you forgot the password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions to reset it. Step 5. Access books. Once logged in, your books will appear automatically. If books are not visible, go to Publications, RGL to find them. All available books will be listed. Enjoy the books completely offline.